So how did we do it? We started with this that we cut with the scissors. Good morning. Today I'm going to show you how to make this. Actually, how to go from this to this, or this to this. Anyway, either way. So as you can see, the leaves has been starting to die, and I was a bit worried, so I started to replant it. And these are the different stages. So the first stage I will show you. Then you will soak it into the water. This is because we were on holidays and it kind of dried out. And then it will create some roots, and which looks like this. And you plant it, and after a while you have a baby one, and eventually it grows like this, and then it becomes like this. But yeah, you can see. So let's get started. So what you're going to need is a jar, a glass jar to soak the leaves, some leaves, you just cut it straight from the plant, some earth and some pebbles, but the pebbles are optionals. Stage number 1. So you cut a few of them like this. So because this here is going to grow into this, you see, like this. Yeah, so it's quite a lot. Instead of putting it in here, I'm going to put it in here. So I'll just take this off. You see, we've got some clean water. We're going to put it in here, and then it's going to grow like this. So after a while, after it grows the roots, we were on holiday, so these are a bit overdue. Generally, it takes you a few weeks, actually. These ones, I'm not sure, but I'm going to plant it. I don't know. I'm just going to add it. So it's going to be like this. We are going to put it in here because it's a big jar and it's going to be quite big, because you can see that it's going to be quite fluffy. Okay, so one here. So I'm going to put first some pebbles. This is optional. Some earth. Sorry, I'm crushing it. And so what we want to do is to just basically put this like this here, roughly, and just see, it's very easy. The only thing you have to remember is to change the water of the jars, because if you want it to grow faster, you just have to change the water for the seeds to grow for the the seeds. You don't need any seeds for the plant to grow. I'm just going to put this here as well. Up, up, up. So we started with this, we cut it, so like this, and then we put this in some water. It became like this. And after that, we took it out of the water. We planted it in here. And we sprayed some earth on the side. And then later on, it became like this. And then eventually like this, as you can see. So first it was a plant and we took some of it and we cut it to make it look like this. From this, we put it in some water, and then this grew after a few weeks. Then we took it out like this, and we put this in here with some of the earth here. And then after that, it's going to start growing and growing and growing. And eventually it's going to become a bit longer and longer and longer. So those are the stage of how to grow a Pothos. Let me know if you like videos like this, and I will make more of these.